Hello, everybody. Thank you, InnovX, for the invitation. And
You're
also
welcome.
to Sergio for hosting this event today and inviting me also here. So I work for Microsoft for about 4 years already. And today I'm working with partners and helping them to sell their solutions to our common customers. So basically, as Microsoft changed during the years, we are not selling so much products, as you know, Windows or Office, but we are changing our model a lot, and as our CEO says, we are a partners company. That's why me, for example, I'm working with partners to sell their solutions to our common customers. With that being said, what's about? The idea is that Microsoft today offers you and the whole bunch of independent software vendor a big cloud platform that you can base on and build your solution. And more than that, we are offering you our access to our customers with few tools that I will going to explain a bit later. Just to show you a few numbers, these are almost $6 billion that we are already sold together with major independent software vendors, the ones that we are calling IP co-sell, that's only the top of the iceberg. We are talking about 300,000 leads that are passing through Marketplace, and also about our customers that are already working with Microsoft and with whom we engage. About 95% of the Fortune 500 that are already on Azure. So, what are we doing? What are the tools? What are the platforms that we give you access? There are 3 of them. The first one is the Azure Marketplace, where the IP solutions, the software solutions that you guys are building and offering to your customers can be published on our, let's call it the Azure Store, where those applications can be available to anybody that is looking for a solution over there. We are talking about partner-to-partner engagements, and this is actually one of my jobs, one of the biggest jobs that I have currently, actually working and connecting partners that are already present in the IT market, servicing customers, and I'm working to get them connected to independent software vendors or startups like you. And the third part, which I was talking about, the IP co-sell, the top of the iceberg, it's about working together with my colleagues that are engaging directly with the customers, the Microsoft sellers, who are going to talk to their customers about the solutions that you have and how this solution can help you. I am not talking about going from customer to customer with leaflets and just letting those on their desks. We are talking about engaging directly, going together with you hand by hand, learning your solutions and talking to the customers, looking for the needs that they have and matching them with the advantages, with the benefits that your solution is matching and how this is going to help. Just 2 pictures about 2 public tools that are available on Microsoft website and how we are using it. The commercial marketplace on Azure that I was talking about, where customers can reach and look for a solution. And also the Partner Center referral, the one that is listing two kind of partners. The traditional Microsoft partners that are providing infrastructure services, managed services, the usual IT company that you know, and also the independent software vendors that are publishing their solutions and their services. And also this one is not only usable directly by the customers, but also this is the one that we internally at Microsoft are using in order to get the customers in touch with the partners and the solution that they have. So we are actually using it to send referrals. Then, about startups and about this co-sell. It's probably obvious that partnering with a big name like Microsoft or our competitors is going to help you a lot in building your image and gaining more customers. And for example, in last year in December, we had 294 startups engaged in this program. Beyond the other thousands of independent software vendors that are partnering with us, only in December we had 138 millions of dollars in total value of contracts together with startups, not mature ISVs, only startups. And we had 800 IP co-sell wins. That means 800 sales in big enterprise customers. Why are the sellers interested to do that? Well, we are paying them to do that. They are incentivized by Microsoft to go and promote our partner solutions. They are, if I'm going to sell to one partner, let's say $1,000 Azure credits, if I'm going to match that Azure credits together with an ISV third-party solution, I'm going to be retired in my quota with about 10 to 20% more, just for attaching a partner to my sale. Well, I'm not selling because I'm not a seller. But this is the way my colleagues are incentivized to do that. It's an easy process. You just have to start doing that. You probably are already there. You have the scenario, you have the idea, you have the solution. Work with Sergio, with Startups program, get the benefits of that to help you build a solution. Publish the solution on the marketplace. Have at least one customer, and then I will work with you hand by hand to gain more customers. And I put here two stories out of many that we have here in Romania. I'm not talking about only international big wins. I do not have, unfortunately, the statistics available for Romania. That's why I use the big numbers from a worldwide perspective. But here are two stories from Romania. Everybody knows Regina Maria, who is probably now the biggest player on private healthcare. They were talking to our sellers about their needs. They implemented the CRM that we have, and also they have now as an internal platform for communication our hero product, Microsoft Teams. But besides that, they bought not only Microsoft solutions, but also we connected them, and they also bought a bot solution, bots, from one of our partners that has built this solution based on Azure and integrated with Teams. And they are asking for help. They are questioning in their internal tool. They are arranging meetings, bookings, and stuff like that. using that bot provided by one of our partners. Another case. You can imagine that in Romania we have e-government. Well, we have. One of our partners from Transylvania years ago started building a platform for e-government that is now running in multiple small small cities or big villages in Transylvania. And part of that selling was done together with us, engaging in a telecampaign that we had talking to local government entities, and they are using now an e-government platform that was built using Azure technology, and it's a story made all together. That was all from my side. If you have any question, we have like 3 minutes more. More than that, on March 16, we are going to host another event like that at our offices in Piazza Presei Libere, together with Sergio. So if you are interested to talk more about what it means, co-selling, what are those steps, what are the requirements or the next step that you have to do in order to engage with us, we are waiting for you. Get in touch with Sergio or with me and register for that and come and talk more. So, any question?
Salut. Hello.
Hello.
My question is, how many clients do you have in Romania that use the Dynamics 365?
Oh, I do not know to answer that. First of all, we have about 3 major products in the family of Dynamics 365. I mean, the CRM, the ERP, and the HR solution. It's obvious, and we are not afraid to recognize that we are not the biggest seller of biz apps around the world. We are much behind SAP when we are talking about ERP, or behind Salesforce when we are talking about CRM. What I can tell you is that with the change of products, because actually those were some old solutions, Navision and Axapta, that we bought during the years. And with the integration of under Dynamics 365, with all the other tools integrating with Power Apps from Microsoft 365, offer also with services like Big Data, Azure Lake Factory, and Power BI. These things are changing a lot. So we are pretty happy that here in Romania, actually, we are much in front with a lot of things comparing to others. Everybody knows probably that Amazon Web Services is the biggest in terms of cloud computing, right? Hosting solutions and stuff like that worldwide. Well, imagine that in Romania, actually, Azure is #1. Which make us very proud. So if we are talking about Dynamics 365, we are behind the competitors, but we are growing much more accelerated than the market. That was very efficient. Thank you very much. And see you March 16th at